Well, it's cold outside today. Of course, y'all already know that, I'm sure. Probably cold where you at, I'm sure. Unless you're probably in Florida or somewhere. Or maybe California somewhere, I don't know. But anyway, here we got some little snow today. Everything is, holding up pretty good, I believe. My voltage is up pretty good. Got a little snow on the vehicle, as y'all can see. We got, I checked everything on this. The voltage looked pretty good on this one. It didn't freeze up. I had my antifreeze in there. You should have some of that in there right about now. But anyway, man, y'all definitely, check on your battery voltage or whatnot. I ain't gonna drag the video out. Just the TVA, Tennessee Valley Authority, they got this thing going where they, I think they're doing some kind of testing. They're doing it for, I don't know, for a little while. I don't know why they waited until the coldest time of the year to do this. It's not usually this cold here, but they wanted to do some kind of testing. I don't really believe they should have did this right now. I'm sure some people who really got a reason to have their electricity running other than just the cold, but like the older folks or people with medical conditions. But anyway, man, a little base off the base subject. But anyway, yeah, we got a little snow on everything, but we'll make it, man. Check on your battery voltage, put that thing on the charger if you got to. I'm gonna see y'all back on the next one.